Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to fix sales tax in QuickBooks Desktop. If you are facing these issues with incorrect sales tax calculations, follow along to solve the problem quickly. First, launch your QuickBooks Desktop application and open your company profile. You will need to have administrative rights to make changes to the tax settings. Once you have done that, let's proceed to the main steps. Go to the edit menu at the top of your screen, then select preferences from the drop down list. And quickly go to the steps. Yeah, the steps are right here. In the preference window, find the click on the sales tax option in the left hand panel. This will be something here. This is where you will manage all your sales tax settings. Now make sure that your sales tax settings are properly configured right here. Check the correct sales tax agency is selected and the appropriate tax rates are listed. If the sales tax rate is incorrect, click on Add Sales Tax Item to create a new rate or choose Edit to modify an existing rate. Make sure the rate reflects the latest tax laws of your location. You can read more about it in this article. It's on right here. Make sure to enter the correct tax rate based on your location. For example, if you need to apply a 7.5% rate, simply enter it here. And then next, check your recent sales transaction, open a sales receipt, then or invoice to verify the correct sales tax item sales applied. Ensure that the correct sales tax item is being selected for each transaction. If necessary, manually adjust the tax item during invoice creation. There is a sales tax item, and there is a sales tax group, and this is how you set up the non-taxable status of an item. Now, to ensure everything is accurate, run a sales tax liability report. Go to the report section and click and select vendors and payables and choose select tax liability report. This report will show you if QuickBooks is correctly calculating and tracking your sales tax and help you identify any discrepancies. Now, if you need to adjust sales tax and like if you notice any discrepancies, you may need to adjust your sales tax settings. Double check the sales tax rate and ensure that they are applied consistently to all transactions. And that's it. You have now fixed your sales tax settings in QuickBooks Desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching.